Good morning. We will discuss this example. The ratio of the ages of father and his son is currently 7:8. 5 years from now, the ratio of their age will be 3:1. Find their present ages. So, let us define their present variables. So, father's present age is 7x. Son's present age is 2x. Okay, 5 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:1. 5 years from now. So from now means there will be the addition. So father says 5 years from now is equal to 7x plus 5. Similarly, son's age 5 years from now is 2x plus 5. But according to the problem, the ratio of their ages 5 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:1. So according to the problem, the future ratio will be 3:1. So set up the equation. Five years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:1. 5 years from now, so we can write 7x plus 5 by 2x plus 5 is equal to 3:1. Okay. Now we have to just solve this equation. So cross multiply. 7x plus 5 is equal to 3 into 2x plus 5. So it will be 6x plus 15. 7x plus 5. So 7x minus 6s is equal to 15 minus 5. So it is a x is equal to 10. So we have got the value of x. So what is asked? They find their present ages. So present age of the father is 7x. So present age of father's present age is 7x. So multiply 7 into this 10. So it is a 70 years. Father's present age is 70 years. And what is the son's present age? So son's present age is 2x. So just 2 into 10, 20 years. So son's present age is 20 years. So in this way we can solve when the example is in the ratio and future age. Now let us solve one example, past age comparison. The past age comparison, the example is like this. A mother is currently 4 times as old as her daughter. 6 years ago the mother was 7 times as old as her daughter was then. What are their present ages? So let us consider the daughter's present age is x years and mother is currently 4 times as old as her daughter. So mother's present age is 4x. Okay, but 6 years ago the mother was 7 times as old as her daughter. Okay, 6 years ago. So 6 years ago the daughter's age is 6 years ago is x minus 6, and mother's age 6 years ago is 4x minus 6. But 6 years ago the mother was 7 times as old as her father. 7 times. So mother's age is 4x minus 6. Mother was 7 times as old as her daughter. So this is the equation. Now I have to just solve this equation, find the value of x, and then put these values in these present ages. We will get their current ages. Okay, so just solve this equation. 4x minus 6 is equal to 7x minus 42. Okay, so take here 7x on this side. 7x is equal to minus 42 plus 6 minus 3x. So minus 3x, this is the minus 36. So minus plus, so x is equal to 36 by 3. So this is a 12. So we have got value of x is 12. So what is the daughter present age is 12, and what is the mother present age is 12 into 4, that is 48. So daughter's present age is and mother's present age, that is 4x, that is 4 into 12, 12 4 the 48. So in this way we can calculate when the example is on the past days comparisons. Thank you very much for watching the video.